Yo, why is there a man walking across the street with no jacket on? Are you kidding me, sir? Sir, did you leave your coat at the club? Did they steal your coat? Oh my God. I'm now waiting on my egg sandwich. Here comes the bus. Might as well film it since I got to get out of the way of it. At least those are running at least. But I'm sure they're just later than they normally are. So I'm walking to the store this morning because I need to get an egg sandwich because of course I'm hungry. And admittedly my friends and I anticipated today's snow day. Let's have a look at the snow. And it's a whole lot of snow. I mean, this winter's been ridiculous. That's my usual spot for breakfast, but they're closed, so I'm going to go to my other friends all the way over here, if you can see. I think sounds like someone's attempting to drive. Look at this poor guy. I guess he's on his way to work. Look at the amount of snow I'm walking in. Can't even see my feet. See? Look, can't even see my boots. Waiting to see a car, a bus, or some sort of movement. Look how deep. Oh, this because I have no groceries in my house. I need to go to the grocery store, but because it is winter, I ain't been able to drag my shopping cart. God, the poor lady. At least they have sense enough to close schools today.